Hey there, folks. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down everyday tech and finance tips to make your life easier. Today, we're tackling something super practical: how to transfer money to your ABSA account in 2025. With the latest updates to banking apps and security features, it's quicker and safer than ever. Whether you're sending money from another bank, a friend, or even internationally, this guide will have you sorted in no time. First things first, make sure you have your ABSA account details ready, like the account number and branch code. We'll start with the most common method, using online banking. Log into your bank's website or mobile app. Most major banks in South Africa, like FNB or Standard Bank, have seamless integration with ABSA. Once you're in, navigate to the Transfers or Payments section. It's usually right on the dashboard for easy access. Next, select the type of transfer. For domestic transfers, choose Interbank Transfer or EFT. Enter the recipient's details. That's your ABSA account number, the branch code, and the amount you want to send. Don't forget to add a reference so the recipient knows what it's for, maybe something like family support or bill payment. In 2025, you'll see enhanced security options here, like biometric verification or a one-time PIN sent to your phone. Always double-check the details to avoid any mistakes. If you're using the ABSA app directly, it's even simpler. Open the app, go to Send Money, and follow the prompts. For international transfers, look for SWIFT or International Payments options, but be aware of any fees or exchange rates involved. Once everything looks good, hit Confirm and authorize the transaction. It should process within minutes for local transfers or a few days for overseas ones. A quick tip: always keep an eye on your transaction history and set up alerts for added security. And if you're new to this, contact ABSA's customer support. They're available 24/7 in 2025. There you have it. Transferring money to ABSA is straightforward once you know the steps. If this helped, smash that like button and subscribe for more finance hacks. Drop your questions in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.